Hello, fellow weather nerds. It took me 4 takes now to say that. And today's video is just going to be a little bit of a recording of a dying thunderstorm that I caught. For those of you who do not know, a thunderstorm starts dying when the downdraft of a thunderstorm, kind of like the rainy bit normally, starts dominating the thunderstorm over the updraft, which causes the storm to start dying from pretty much the ground up as more and more of their clouds just pretty much become rain. Sometimes it can be very ugly, and other times it can be kind of oddly pretty. Personally, I say that this one is one of the oddly pretty ones, which is why I'm deciding not to get rid of this footage and actually keep it and upload it into its own little video. It also shows off the development of scud. As you can see, all those smaller clouds within the rain, those are scud clouds oftentimes formed, well, near the rain. Anyways, I'm going to stop talking and let this video continue playing, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you dislike it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.